Well, if you're in one of those spots that hasn't seen rain in a while and you're wondering what does rain look like, let's take a look. I can actually show you here in Rolla. That's their traffic cam up there, and you can see the rain is pouring down with scattered strong to severe storms in and around Phelps County, south down across Dent County, getting into northern Shannon County, extending west into Texas County. It is stormy up to the northeast. Meanwhile, over toward Lake of the Ozarks, pretty quiet there, but storms are nearby. Over in Joplin, you can see some storm tops. Here in the Springfield area, those skies are mostly clear. Now, getting back to those storms pounding away at areas from Rolla south to Eminence, you can see it's pockets of thunderstorm activity. And any one of these stronger thunderstorm clusters is likely producing some strong winds, frequent lightning, very heavy rainfall. I was just checking some of the radar estimates, around 1 to 2 inches in some of these heavier thunderstorms, and maybe locally as much as 3 inches of rainfall. And storms are building west across Pulaski County, Waynesville, stormy all around the Waynesville area. These storms, unlike yesterday, are moving, pushing off to the southeast at about 15 miles per hour. You can see a new warning that's been issued for southern Texas County into northern Howell County and northeastern Douglas County, with new storms developing there. Also, we've got thunderstorm activity near and south of the state line. Some of those storms have been capable of producing strong winds along with frequent lightning and heavy rainfall. But not everybody is experiencing thunderstorm activity. In fact, what happened this morning is playing a role in where storms are right now. We talked about earlier in the show, strong storms hitting the KC area. Well, that pocket of thunderstorm activity faded away, but it sent a boundary southeast, and that boundary has served as a focus for thunderstorms across northern Arkansas into south central and southeast Missouri. Meanwhile, across southwest Missouri, on the back side of that boundary and with intense heating this afternoon, we've seen those dew points, humidity levels tank. So we've got a pocket of drier, quieter air here over southwest Missouri that's going to make it awfully hard for these storms to build further west and northwest. As close as they appear to be, again, they're going to be hitting a wall of stable, drier air over southwest Missouri. So it'll be interesting to see just how far west some of this activity can get. We do have a cold front to the north, and we do have some isolated activity developing along that cold front, even across areas like Lincoln. Up in Benton County. Looking at our hour-by-hour forecast, notice again how the thunderstorms tend to stay off to the south and east. That's 9 o'clock. By midnight, most of that will fade away, and it looks like by morning, mostly clear skies. And tomorrow, most areas will stay dry. If we see anything pop up, it's going to be isolated, and it's going to be south of the state line across Arkansas. Temperatures tonight dropping off to about 71. Notice areas to the east and south. That's where I expect rain into the evening hours. Tomorrow, we'll find afternoon highs running a little cooler, but still hot. 93 for a high in Springfield, but with the dry air, cooler tomorrow night down to 67. The forecast not quite as hot going through the end of the weekend, but still near or above 90. Low 90s on Friday. Looks like low 90s again on Saturday. But on Saturday, some real heat relief will be moving in. A stronger cool front. I don't expect much, if any, in the way of rain with it, but it will come in with some substantially cooler air. Take a look at these temperatures. We're going to go from highs near 100 today in Springfield to highs in the low 90s later this week into this upcoming weekend, to highs in the mid to upper 80s on Sunday, to maybe staying below 80 degrees by Tuesday.
Now you're talking.
A week from now, yeah.
Amazing. 70s in the 7th.
It's a very quiet pattern, though.
Yeah.
I don't really see us getting rain chances going up again until maybe Tuesday of next week.
All right, we still need that rain, despite some getting some today. All right.